Hey guys, we received this UpBrands dinosaur stretchy kits for test and try. So you can see this is a 48 packs dinosaurs. These are stretchies and a gift pack, or you can just individually wrapped. So you can just use it to gift in a different party favor or any other thing as a reward. And you can see that it comes in a nice transparent zipper bag and then individual packed dinosaurs. So it's a very nice, vibrant colors and also the different shapes and sizes of these dinosaurs and in the different colors. So this thing is a fun thing, and let me just take out some of them and show it to you. The quality is almost the same material for all these different one, but can have a different designs for the dinosaurs and the different colors. So these are almost all the colors that I'm trying to show you, or I will try to show you the maximum types because of the video constraint or the size. So I will try to cover as much as I can. So you can see like in the dinosaur thing, it's a really a vibrant and shiny material or the color, and then a stretchy thing here. You can stretch, so this material can stretch. It can also stand. So similarly, there are many other one. These are the with the wings or the flaps and the legs. Everything is very clear and with a nice color thing. These are all the shiny and I will say the glossy color and all different types of dinosaurs. So some dinosaur, the shapes can be repeated, but of the different colors. So basically a nice thing, and you can also use it to give rewards to someone or the kids, and then as a gift or as a party favor or the return gift or whatsoever. But the actual the quality and the stretchiness is good. So basically a nice thing. I'm trying to show you the maximum things or the types. But I like this glossy, shiny colors. These are the really nice color combinations, or I will say the colors. And the stretchiness is also good. Like this material, I don't see like it's breaking so easily. And then on the stretchiness is, and the stretchiness in this material is good as well. So hope you like this as well.